Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open sharply lower due to a significant decline across global markets, driven by concerns over trade tariffs and the dollar index reaching to a one-month high of 107. To start with our first segment for Friday, 28th February 2025, Nifty index opened positive and remained in a narrow range of 100 points throughout the day. It moved in an extremely lackluster manner with slight recovery in the second half, which was given up in the last hour. It formed a small-bodied bearish candle on the daily frame and has been making lower lows from the last 5 sessions. Index has got stuck within a range of 150 points from the last 3 trading sessions. Nifty futures rollover stood at 84%, surpassing its previous month and the 3-month average, while Bank Nifty futures rollover stood at 82%, exceeding the last month's score of 79%. Some focus will be on the NBFC stocks after the RBI reduces the risk weights on bank loans to NBFCs from 125% to 100% effective 1st of April. India VIX was down by around 3% to 13.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.98. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,000 to 23,000 levels, while immediate range could be in between 22,300 to 22,800 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 557 crores, while TIIs were buyers worth 1,727 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 16%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 22,650, weakness could be seen towards 22,250 marks, while hurdles can be seen at 22,800. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 48,950, some weakness could be seen towards 48,250 marks, while hurdle can be seen at 49,150. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in LTF, M&M Finance, AU Bank, Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Manappuram Finance, Bajaj Finance, Chambal Fertilizers, and Berger Paints. While some weakness could be seen in Polycab, Havells, Sun TV, Ultratech Cement, Bata, and ABB. Wish you a super day ahead and a lovely weekend. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.